You might be seeing this image and thinking that it was created by an artist who spent hours and hours creating this hyper-realistic art. However, this image was generated by an AI in just a few seconds, and all I had to do was describe in a sentence exactly what I wanted. Interested in knowing how you can do the same? Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing the way we create hyper-realistic images of people. The AI tool we'll be using for this is called Midjourney. This incredible AI uses stable diffusion technology to create hyper-realistic photos and illustrations based on user prompts and descriptions. Let me show you how. First of all, we go to their website, midjourney.com. At the bottom right, we'll click on Join the Beta. This will open a link to a Discord server, so go ahead and accept the invite. I'm already a member, so I'm going to go directly to my Discord. They have many guides and you can take your time to read all the cool stuff that they're currently working on, but we're going to be focusing solely on their image generation AI. Start off by joining any of the channels on the left and you'll see others are also actively generating their own images because this is a shared space. So you get to see what images others are generating. To create our own image, I'm going to start by typing in the command /imagine. And then I'm going to press the spacebar, which will trigger the prompt, and now I can describe to the AI exactly what I want. For this demonstration, I'll choose a beautiful woman in space and let the magic happen. For your image, you can add as many details to fine-tune what you want. Wow! Isn't that amazing? In mere moments, we have a visually striking image that looks incredibly realistic. Once the image has been generated, you have the option to either upscale it or select variations to get similar images. I like this one, so I will upscale it. And in a few seconds, it is now ready to download. After seeing how easy it is to use AI to create your own art, how do you feel? As artificial intelligence gets more advanced by the day, there will eventually come a time when even the naked eye will not be able to tell the difference between a photo of a real person or just an AI-generated image. Do you believe that AI will soon take over the role of artists in our society? Instead of spending weeks over drafts, an AI is able to instantly create these studio-quality images. Or do you think human creativity will always trump over machine learning? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all of our latest content. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Until next time, stay curious and never stop pushing the limits of AI.